In this episode of Science Foundations, we're asking the question, what are some parts of an animal cell? Some parts of an animal cell include the nucleus, cytoplasm, vacuole, mitochondria, the cell membrane, and Golgi body. We're going to go through each one of these individually and learn a little bit about what their purpose is. Let's start out with the nucleus. In an animal cell, the nucleus stores the DNA and is the control center for the cell. It sends out mRNA that tells the rest of the cell what to build and how to build it. It stores all the blueprints. That's the same as in a plant cell. Then we have the cytoplasm. That is the mixture of liquid and soot, basically. Everything that's mixed together, and it provides some structure and transports things, messages, chemicals, building blocks for life, back and forth between different organelles and towards the outside of the cell and back into the cell as well. The cytoplasm isn't responsible directly for being able to get things through that cell membrane. Then we have the vacuole. This is one difference between a plant and animal cell. In a plant cell, the vacuole is one large central vacuole and maybe a few smaller ones. In an animal cell, there's several smaller vacuoles throughout the cell. We've got this mitochondria. Well, the mighty mitochondria. The mitochondria, the most powerful part of the cell. Really, the powerhouse of the cell. Oh yeah. The mitochondria is where energy is changed so the cell can use it. Oh yes, the mitochondria, my favorite. And then we have, well, the cell membrane. We talked about that a little bit already. That's what controls what goes in and out of the cell and holds everything together. And then the Golgi body. This helps package things to be able to leave the cell. It's sort of like the post office that helps get things out of the city to another city.
You've been watching the short versions of Science Foundations. We have full lab videos that can be streamed on our Patreon page or downloaded from our online store. Use the links below to access them. Buy the entire set of 75 episodes of Science Foundations, or just one episode or season at a time as you need them. In addition to the lab videos, we provide you with accompanying educational resources, such as PDF fillable student study guides and teacher guides filled with glossary terms, study guide key answers, suggested home experiments, and field trip ideas. We're constantly adding new resources, such as coloring pages and word finds. We're here to help your students get the most from these great episodes. Get all of them on our Patreon page or our online store.